Dyslexic Genius here. We're back on the Victor 4, the IV tabletop. I'm going to show you how to rebuild the back bracket with the tone arm. I've taken it apart, but I'm going to do everything in reverse. First thing you want to do is take this piece, which has two screw holes, one there and one there, and you just want to oil that for assembly because it makes it easier. Just a little bit of sewing machine oil. That'll work. You need a little bit of green grease and sewing machine oil and a few tools. I'll talk you through it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this spacer washer in first. But first you're going to take right here, and we're just going to put a little bit of oil around there. I'm going to drop that piece in like that, because that rotates. Now what you're going to do, you're going to put a little bit of green grease a bigger screwdriver. I need a bigger screwdriver to do this. I'm going to put a little green grease on your screwdriver. I'm going to fill the holes. There's 5 ball bearings. And the reason you do this is we have to assemble it, and we don't want the ball bearings running away from us, because then that's a lot of fun trying to find it on the floor. I'm going to take a magnetic screwdriver. See, I have a ball bearing on the end of the screwdriver. Just come in and press them in like that. Those in place. I'm going to put a little dab of oil right here, right here, right there, right there. Now you're going to take this back bracket piece, we've oiled that. I'm going to gently come in. You're going to set this up in place. And it pops on like that. Now you're going to take an awl like this. And you're going to rotate it. There we go. You see how I rotated that? And you can see where the pin is. And then we come in, we have the pin right here. That hole, everything's lined up. Good. Because it screws into the inside. And you just come in and make sure you pre-oiled all these things. As they pop in, just turn it with your fingers a little so it catches. And I'm going to have to replace this screw. I didn't catch that. So you can see where it's boogered up right here. The threads are crushed out, so we'll have to replace that. No biggie. Then you have this set screw here. And then we have the pin in the back bracket here. Before you put it together, you want to make sure that you clean that and make sure that this rides smoothly like that. Then you take the tone arm, pop that on, drop that in. We have a little hole right there on the tone arm right here. We're going to put a little dab of oil right there. that fits perfectly. So you just push down till you get it to run, and then you tighten this screw up. And that's all there is to rebuilding the tone arm on a VIC-4. It's running smoothly, and when you just come back, put in the yoke. Always make sure that you oil the spindle shaft on oiling the machine, and that's my tip for the day.